everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video. This video is about Vat Savitri Vrat. Vat Savitri Vrat 2025 date, history, significance and puja rituals. So let's start. Vat Savitri is a one-day fast and a Hindu festival celebrated by married women in India. Women from northern and western regions of India particularly celebrate Vat Savitri to pray for the longevity and good health of their husbands. According to the Hindu calendar, the fast is observed on the Amasya of the Jyesht month. The Vat Savitri fast falls on the day of Savitri, which originated in the name Savitri, a wife devoted to determination, Satyavan. Her husband was resurrected due to Savitri. Now let's know about date and timings. Vat Savitri Amavasya on Monday 26, 2025. Vat Savitri Purnima Vrat on Tuesday, June 10, 2025. Amavasya Tithi begins 12:11 p.m. on May 26. Amavasya Tithi ends 8:30 a.m. on May 27th. The Vat Savitri Puja is characterized by some simple yet elaborate rituals, and they begin at an early morning hour. Initially, the wife needs to wake up early and take a holy bath. After that, they wear new or their finest traditional attire, generally in the color red or yellow, which is an indication of happiness in marriage. And in keeping with the fast of Vat Savitri, women also need to dress up in jewelry and bangles, which are an indication of an Indian married woman. After this is complete, women start their day-long fast and refrain from consuming food and water. This fast is like Savitri's resolve and dedication to their spouse's long life and well-being. Then in the afternoon and evening, the Vat Puja is performed. The Vat or banyan tree is a representation of a long, healthy life and is therefore revered. Women encircle the tree and the tree is decorated with threads, red cloth and flowers. The married women then circumambulate the tree, binding threads around its trunk while chanting a prayer. Once the thread is done, women gather to sit down and listen and read to the Vat Savitri Katha, which happens to be the story of Satyavan and Savitri. The fasting breaks in the evening after all the rituals are over. Some may take a light meal, but others take certain foods which are related to the festival as well as the area they are in. While most women like to drink nothing but water throughout the fast, some other ladies eat something sattvic and healthy. While fasting and after opening the fast, women will generally have some fruits like bananas, apple and so on, and nuts like almonds and raisins for some energy. After the fast is broken, there are jaggery and sesame seed sweets. And in a few families, laddus and burfis are also prepared for the women by the mother-in-law or the senior female members of the family. So this is the video. If you like it, please share and subscribe my channel.